If you've ever accidentally deleted a video project in CapCut and felt that sinking feeling in your stomach, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover deleted video projects in CapCut. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know where to find your lost projects and the simple steps to bring them back, so all your hard editing work is safe and sound. Let's dive in. Now, CapCut has a really helpful safety net built right in, called the Recently Deleted folder, sort of like your computer's recycle bin, but specifically for your video projects. This means if you delete a project by mistake, it doesn't vanish forever right away. Instead, it gets temporarily stored in this folder so you have a window of opportunity to recover it. If you're working on CapCut for PC, here's exactly what you need to do. First, open up CapCut and log into your account. Logging in is important because CapCut needs to know it's really you before giving you access to your personal projects. Think of it like putting the key in the door before walking into your creative workspace. Once you're logged in, look for a small trash can icon, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. It can be easy to miss. It's not the biggest button on the screen, but that little icon is your gateway to the Recently Deleted folder. I always recommend taking a moment to scan the dashboard for it. If you're having trouble spotting it, try maximizing your screen or hovering your mouse slowly along the top bar. A gentle reminder, don't worry if you're not seeing it immediately, just double-check that you're logged in with the correct CapCut account. Now, click on that trash icon. Inside, you'll see a list of your projects that have been deleted within the last set period. CapCut doesn't keep deleted projects forever, so if you're looking for something you deleted months ago, it may already be gone. But for most recent mistakes, whether it was 20 minutes ago or maybe yesterday, you should see your project listed right there. Next, find the project you want to restore. If you're not sure from the name, CapCut often shows a little thumbnail preview to make identification easier. Take your time here. You want to be sure you're selecting the right project, especially if you have several deleted ones with similar names. A thoughtful tip: if you manage lots of projects, I recommend giving your files clear and unique names during creation, which helps avoid confusion in moments like this. Once you've found it, simply click the Restore button. CapCut will then move that project back into your active dashboard, just like it was never deleted in the first place. In most cases, all your edits, effects, and timelines will be fully intact, so you can pick up exactly where you left off. This part is usually instant, but don't worry if it takes a few moments for bigger projects. CapCut might just be loading all your clips and edits back in place. And that's it. You've rescued your deleted project and can get back to editing without missing a beat. It's really reassuring to know CapCut offers this recovery feature, giving us that extra layer of security when working on important videos, kind of like having an undo button for life's little accidents. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button to let me know. If you have any questions, or if there's another CapCut mystery you want solved, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.